If you're an EV owner, you've probably asked yourself, how long will it take to charge my car with this adapter? Or maybe you've wondered, how fast can I charge my Polestar from 40% to 100%? Or how long will it take my Tesla Model 3 to go from 50 to 80%? Or even how much will this charge add to my home electric bill? These are great questions, and the answers aren't always straightforward. That's because charging speed and cost depend on several key factors. In this video, we're going to break it all down step by step, so you'll know exactly what to expect when charging your EV. So, what affects your EV charging speed? Let's start with the basics. Charging your EV isn't like filling up a gas tank. It's a bit more nuanced. Here are the main factors that determine how fast your EV charges. The adapter you're using. Not all adapters are created equal. The amperage of your adapter plays a huge role in charging speed. For example, a 24 amp adapter will charge faster than a 16 amp one. Are you following the 80% adapter rule? Many EVs and EV adapters recommend charging to 80% for battery health and efficiency. If you're not familiar with the two 80% rules, check out our video linked here. It's a game changer for EV owners. The second thing that affects your charging speed is the charger type. Are you using a level 1, 2, or 3 charger? Level 1 chargers are your standard wall outlets. They're slow, but great for overnight charging. These are typically 125 volts. Level 2 chargers are faster and commonly used at home or public stations. These chargers use 250 volts. And level 3 chargers, like CCS or Superchargers, are the fastest, often found at dedicated charging stations. Another thing to consider is if you're using an AC or DC charger. AC chargers are typically used at home and are slower. DC chargers are found at charging stations and can deliver power much faster. Lastly, number 3, your vehicle's make, model, and year. Not all EVs charge at the same speed. Newer models often have advanced technology, like lithium-ion batteries that allow for faster charging. For example, the 2023 Tesla Model 3 might charge significantly faster than a 2018 Nissan Leaf, even with the same adapter and charger. So let's get to it. How do you calculate your charging time and cost? Now that you know the factors at play, let's talk about how to get precise answers to your questions. The best way to do this is by using a charging calculator. We recommend the one at greencarscompare.com. We have it linked in the description below. Here's how it works. Select your vehicle. Start by choosing your EV's make, model, and year. This ensures the calculator accounts for your vehicle's specific battery and charging capabilities. Pick your outlet or adapter. Next, specify the type of outlet or adapter you're using. Enter your electricity cost. Input how much you pay per kilowatt hour, or kWh, of electricity. This info is usually on your utility bill. Set your charging levels. Tell the calculator your starting charge level, in this case 40%, and your desired charge level. We'll set that to 100%. Adjust the amperage if needed. If you're using an adapter like the EVY switch, which is rated for 24 amps, you can manually adjust the amperage in the tool to match. So what does the calculator tell you? Once you've entered all your details, the calculator will give you a wealth of information, including the charge time, how long it will take to reach your desired charge level, range added, how many miles of range you'll gain, average charge rate per hour, or how fast your EV is charging in miles or kilowatts per hour, total kilowatt hours used, the total energy consumed during the charge, charging efficiency, usually around 90%. This tells you how effectively your EV is using the energy. Total cost, exactly how much the charge will add to your electric bill. This calculator takes the guesswork out of EV charging. Whether you're planning a road trip, trying to budget for your monthly electricity costs, or just curious about how your adapter performs, this tool has you covered. If you're looking for high-quality adapters to power up your home charging setup, check out acworks.com. We specialize in adapters that let you convert dryer outlets, welder outlets, or other high-power sockets into something compatible with your EV charger. Our products are built to last and designed to keep you powered up safely and efficiently. So the next time you wonder how long it will take to charge your EV or how much it will cost, you'll know exactly where to start. Remember, charging speed depends on your adapter, charger type, and vehicle. But with tools like the greencarscompare.com calculator, you can get precise answers in just a few clicks. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on staying powered up. And if you have any questions about EV adapters or charging, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you.